Everybody, it's Dan here at Dana Reviews, and check out these bamboo cutting boards from Wooden House. These are 3 different size cutting boards with its own little stand to keep them upright. So if they're drying, they're going to be able to dry nicely while they're in their little stand. And the stand itself, and I'll show you here in a second, also has holes drilled in. So really nice here. So it does have drainage holes and then rubber feet on the bottom. So really nice bamboo stand too as well. Very large. This is your large one, bamboo cutting board. I do like how there's a notch around the edges. So any liquids or anything you cut, if maybe has water coming out of it, it's not going to go all over. And you can go ahead and transfer that food into your pan or pot after cutting. And you may not need the large one, right? Maybe you're just cutting something up small, like a jalapeno or something like that. You use the small one, right? And these are bamboo, so they're going to be easy to maintain, easy to wash, safe to cut your food on there, safer to do it on these bamboo cutting boards versus like your countertops. And again, you do get 3 different sizes, and this will actually fit nicely into like a cabinet because they are upright. And you can put it in. You can put it in this stand and slide it right into something, right? And when you need one, you could just slide one out. Looking at the back too, they also have some groove cut out here too, so you can hold it so it feels nice when you're carrying it. Having that nice slit in the back too, overall makes it nice for carrying. If you're looking for a nice bamboo cutting board set, it gives you 3 different options. Definitely check out this one from Wooden House. Shout out to the company for gifting me this so I could do a review.